Yeah, good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the periodic table, right? So this is a very important topic for your JE and also NEET exam, and also for your SSC boards. Also very important. As you know that till now 118 elements. You can check here. 118 elements are named, right? So how many elements are named till now? 118, 118, right? So here if you see, this is as per Moseley's modern periodic table. So here you'll be noticing that 7 periods, 18 groups will be there, right? So in the modern periodic table, there will be 7 periods and 18 groups will be there. Okay. Now, so how to remember these elements easily, that we are going to see, and you will be getting questions in your JEE mains and also in NEET exam also, particularly this from after this actinides or after lanthanides, that is 100 to 118 elements, and also this lanthanides and actinides. The elements, they will ask the question as they will give one side atomic number and they will give the element on the other side, and they will ask match the following. Okay, match the elements atomic number. They'll also ask the question like that. Okay. Now, so here, as you know, 7 periods, 18 groups are there, and if you know the periodic table, you will be noticing that the element. Sometimes they may ask the question like the following element belongs to which group, or the which of the following is not belongs to the, say for example, fourth B group, or they may ask 6A group, like that. They'll give 4 options, out of which one will be wrong. Okay, so here how to remember, and if you see here, this is a very easy question actually. You see here already they mentioned representative elements, right? So representative elements. So here also they have mentioned representative elements. So here in the NEET 2025 NEET 2025 question exam, you can find this question: which of the following elements are called or otherwise are called representative elements? So S and P block elements are called representative elements. Okay. So this question also, they have also asked the question like this. Okay. So that's why we can't skip anything. Sometimes you may feel easy, but they will ask a question there, and you will definitely do wrong. You may write only S block, only P block, like that. Okay. So that's why this periodic table is very very important, and you will be getting 4 marks question. Okay. So today we'll see the all the elements. Okay. Now, as you know, 18 groups are there, and we will talk about these two 4F series and 5F series, these lanthanides and actinides later. Okay, first we'll see. So here group, these are called, the one which are on left side are called, as you know, as you will be knowing that these are called S block elements, right? So in this 1A 2A groups are there. So here it starts with hydrogen. So here second is helium. Now here we'll see group wise. So here if you see lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Next, secondly, like this you have to remember 18 group elements. That will be very easy. Okay. Now I will discuss about these F block elements, how to remember. We will see after finishing this S and P and D block elements. Okay. Now second group. Second A group will be beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Okay. Now here these are the 2A group. Next, so these are called S block elements. Why? Because the last entering electron is also called differentiating electron, is entering into S orbital. That's why these two groups are called S block elements. Now if the last electron, that is differentiating electron, is entering into uh, P orbitals, these are called P block elements. Okay, so how many will be there? 6 will be there. Now third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh B. Here it is 8B are also called zero group elements, or otherwise called noble gases. You see here S and P block elements are called representative elements. This is a question asked in NEET 2025. Okay, you can check the paper also. Now if you see P block elements, so always particularly S, P and D, remember these elements as uh, group wise. That will be easy to you. Okay. Now third B. So your third group elements will be boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Here it is niobium. So you see here, this is a new element added, niobium, right? Next, fourth B, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin. Here it is a stannum, tin, lead, plumbum, and fleruvium. Okay, fleruvium. Next, fifth B, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Antimony, it is a stibium. Bismuth, moscovium, MC, moscovium. Okay. Now here, sixth B, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, livermorium. Okay. Next, seventh B, here you can see these are called halogens. Fifth B are called pnictogens. Sixth are called chalcogens. Seventh B are called halogens. So this question is also asked in NEET exam, right? So like this, from the periodic table, we will be asking easy question. Now halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Here it is tennisane. Okay. So here it is named after the place. So Tennyson, that is TS 117. Next, so this 18B, 18, that is 8B group, otherwise called zero group elements, are also called noble gases, are also called inert gases. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, oganesson, OG, nothing but oganesson. That is 118. So last element, that one oganesson OG is comes under which group? Eighth group. 8th B, all right, and it comes under P black group, P black elements. Okay, now P black are on right side. Now at the center you will be noticing D black elements. So at the center you will be having D black element. Now you see a continuation to 2A. Here it is 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A. Now these two, you see here, iron, cobalt, nickel, these three together are called eighth group elements. Next, here you see here, these are called 1B, 2B, 1B, 2B. Now, so D black, as you know, why we are calling D black? Since the last differentiating electron is entering into d orbitals. D orbitals will be 5 d orbitals will be there, and they can accommodate 10 electrons. That's why 10 groups will be there. So 2 are S black, 6 are P black. So 2 plus 6 is 8, and at the center D black, they are 10 will be there. So total 2 plus 10 plus 6. Total 18 groups will be there, right? Now, you see here, I already told you, don't follow any cheat codes or any unnecessary like that. So just you remember as a group wise. So if you check group wise, that will be easy. Now, scandium, yttrium, lanthanum, actinium. Scandium, yttrium, lanthanum, actinium. Okay. Next, titanium, zirconium, hafnium, rutherfordium. Next, vanadium, niobium, tantalum, dubnium, chromium, molybdenum, tungsten, wolfram, you can say wolframite, seaborgium, named after scientist. Next, manganese, technetium, rhenium, Niels Bohr, that is borium, iron, ruthenium, osmium, hassium, hassium. Next, cobalt, rhodium, iridium, metanerium. Next, if you see here, nickel, palladium, platinum, Darmstadt is a city place, Darmstadtium. Next, 1B. If you see here, 1B, copper, argentum, aurum, ranganium. Next, 2B, zinc, cadmium, mercury. This is a copernicium. Okay, Copernicus, named after Copernicium, right? So here, so like this, we have seen S black, P block and D block elements. So they may ask a question, which of the following element belongs to D block, which of the following element belongs to P block, which of the following element belongs to S block. And these are called, D block elements are also called transition elements. These two are representative elements. These are transition elements. Now inner transition elements will be there. F block. So S block, P block, D block. F block we are writing, they are on the bottom of the periodic table. Now if you see here, there will be two. There will be, how many will be there? 28 will be there. 28 elements will be there. So they are divided into 14, 14, right? Now why 14, 14? Because, so why we are calling these elements as F block elements? Because the last differentiating electron, that is differentiating electron, is entering into F orbital. Since F orbitals are 7 are there, so 7 can accommodate 14 electrons. Hence here 14 elements will be there in each series. Like that, 2 series will be there. So you here 4F, 5F will be there. 4F series, 5F series. Okay. Now if you see, they are 4F, they are after lanthanum. Hence 58 to 71 will be there. So total 14 will be there. 58 to 71. So these 14 elements are called lanthanides. Lanthanides. So if you see here, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. So here you can remember like this, but here you have to remember like this. Okay. So now you can frame the like this. CP stands for CP, An, neptunium, neodymium, promethium, CpNp. Next SCG. You can write SCG, then nothing but samarium, europium, gadolinium, SCG. Next terbium, dysprosium, holmium, TDH. Terbium, dysprosium, holmium, TDH. Next erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. So ethyl you can write like this. So if you remember like this, CpNp, Seg, TDH, ethyl, that means you'll be getting all the elements. So these are the shortcuts to remember F block element. CpNp, Seg, TDH, ethyl. So C stands for cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. That's it. Okay. So these are called lanthanides. Next, actinides. Since they are after, you see here, they belongs to which group? 3A. So here you see here, after actinides, now here after actinium 90 to 103. These are called actinoids. Thorium. So all these after 19, atomic number 90, they are called radioactive elements, right? So all these exhibit radioactive properties. So they are from 90 to 103. You see thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, Einstein, you see here 99, named after scientist Einstein. And 100th element, what is the 100th? Fermi, atomic radius, okay? Fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium. So like this you have to remember. So here also you can write, here also you have to remember like this. You can write TPUNP, TPUNP, that is thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium. ACBC, ACBC, American curium, berkelium, californium, Einsteinium, EFM, NL, that is EFM, NL, this TPUNP, ACBC, EFM, NL, that's it. So like this, if you frame abbreviations, that will be easy to you to remember these periodic table. So, and these are called inner transition elements. Inner transition element. Representative, transition, inner transition. So here they can frame the question n number of questions. Which of the following does not comes under inner transition element? They will give some 3 options here, and one from, they will pick from here. So you may think that I have not seen this element since these are newly named. So you may think that you'll put the answer like this, but that will be wrong. So like this they can frame the n number of questions. So all the best. for your JE April 2026 session, and for your NEET exam also beta. All the best. So do subscribe KEMG channel immediately. Don't waste time by seeing making a videos of fun like that. Okay, you are not here come for this education channel, not here come for entertainment, right? So all the best, and give value to time, right? Time is most precious. All the best.